In construction, smooth IT operations are as critical as the machinery on site. For Houston's construction companies, managing IT infrastructure across multiple job sites, secure data storage, and reliable communication tools are crucial to project success. This is where Impress IT Solutions steps in with tailored managed IT services designed specifically to address the industry's unique demands. Why managed IT services matter in construction. Construction companies face complex logistical and technological needs, from coordinating remote sites to handling large volumes of project data. Downtime, data breaches, or communication delays can halt operations and impact budgets. Managed IT services give construction companies peace of mind by ensuring robust network security, data management, and real-time support across all locations. How Impress IT Solutions serves Houston's construction companies. Impress IT Solutions understands the specific needs of the construction sector and delivers comprehensive managed services that keep projects on track and IT challenges at bay. 24/7 remote monitoring and support. Impress offers continuous monitoring of network systems to catch and address issues before they escalate, preventing downtime and keeping all job sites connected. Secure data storage and backup. Impress provides reliable data storage and backup solutions essential for storing CAD files, contracts, and other sensitive documents, ensuring they're easily accessible and protected from cyber threats. Cybersecurity. With robust security protocols including firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and employee training, Impress IT Solutions helps protect against cyber threats common in construction, such as phishing attacks targeting payroll and vendor data. Cloud and collaboration tools. Impress enables secure cloud solutions, allowing field teams and office staff to share files, update project plans, and communicate efficiently without compromising security. For Houston's construction companies, Impress IT Solutions offers not just IT support, but a comprehensive partnership, providing managed services that reduce costs, minimize downtime, and allow teams to focus on what matters most. Completing projects on time and within budget.